Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by collecting what matters: your Apple ID credentials, the payment method on file, and any recent receipts or screenshots. Open Settings on your device or go to iCloud. Com and sign in. This verifies account access and reduces delays. Once done, check Apple's system status to confirm billing services are online, because resolving errors while services are down wastes time. Make sure you note the exact charge amount and date. You'll need those in the next steps when disputing or updating billing information. You now diagnose the issue by checking subscriptions and purchase history to locate the specific charge. This identifies whether it's a recurring subscription, family purchase, or third-party charge. Next, update payment and shipping in your Apple ID settings. Add a valid card or top up Apple ID balance, because failed authorizations commonly cause billing failures. If the charge came from a third-party app or carrier, contact that provider directly first. Once you've documented responses, you'll be ready to escalate to Apple support with precise evidence. You finish by contacting Apple support with the charge details, screenshots, and any provider responses. Present exact dates and amounts so they can verify transactions quickly. Ask for a refund or account correction and follow any steps they give to clear outstanding balances, like updating payment methods or accepting updated terms. If support can't resolve it, make sure to document the case number and escalate. Return with repeated evidence. Use chat or phone callbacks, or visit an Apple store for in-person escalation. If things go wrong,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.